Assalamu alaikum, Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, ministers, colleagues, partners. It's always a pleasure to visit Pakistan, but today is a particularly pleasurable occasion as we launch this quite path-breaking 10-year country partnership framework for Pakistan. I would like to start by thanking all of the partners that we've worked with on the Pakistani side. As I was telling you, Prime Minister, country partnership frameworks are jointly prepared, and the leadership that you personally have provided and the support that we have received from all the members of the team were instrumental in putting this together. We will need that same leadership and that same partnership to successfully implement the CPF. Pakistan stands at a pivotal moment with an ambitious program of reforms, macroeconomic stabilization taking hold, and importantly, the recent launch of the National Economic Transformation Uran Pakistan Plan. Let me use this opportunity to congratulate you on these achievements and thank you for the commitment to carry out difficult economic reforms. Together, this partnership fosters a unified and focused vision for your country around 6 outcomes with clear, tangible, and ambitious 10-year targets. We hope that this CPF will serve as an anchor for this engagement to keep us on the right track. Partnerships will equally be critical. More resources will be needed to have the impact at the scale that we wish to achieve, and this will require close collaboration with all of the development partners, several of whom I see here in the room. Thanks to your leadership, Prime Minister, the Pakistan CPF, which was reviewed by the board just 2 weeks ago, marks the first of a new series of country engagement products that the World Bank is launching. This is a shift in the way we work together for the betterment of the people of Pakistan. So let me end by wishing us all a strong start and good luck in this journey. You can count on the World Bank Group to be with you as Pakistan strives to improve its development course, as we have seen for the past 7 decades. Thank you very much for this invitation.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।